Welcome to Noris Free Time. Today, Noris is playing with his burping Bobby. Are you ready, Noris?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine's been a dollar.
What?
A dollar.
What's that?
A dollar.
$1?
Yeah.
Burping Bobby.
Wow. I like the body.
We got instructions and game tokens. You want to push all these out?
Yeah.
Push them down. Come on. Ooh.
Wow. What? That's a lot.
Look, one's hanging.
What? Look at the dollar. Oh, that's not
No,
normal.
flip them like this. Okay, see? Now to play the game, you have to think of a food, either garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or a root beer. And then if you get it right, then you get to keep the points. And if it's wrong, you have to feed burping Bobby. Are you ready? And all the items that I named are in the back of these. This one's garlic. Okay. You're gonna go first, Norris? Now you gotta think of one. What do you think it's gonna be? Garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or root beer?
I'll get
Garlic? Okay, pick it. What do you get? No, what'd you get? Let me see. You got onion. You gotta feed burping Bobby. Put it in his mouth. Okay, now Norris, crank it 3 times. Hold on. Okay, now do it. 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Now it's D's turn.
Okay.
Which one, D?
I think it's gonna be pizza.
Okay.
I got pizza.
Okay, that means you keep it.
I got 1 point.
Okay, my turn. I think it's gonna be garlic.
Okay.
I got cola.
Cola.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you gotta feed it to the hippo.
to the hippo.
I'm safe. Your turn. What do you think it's gonna be now? Wait, you gotta see which one. Garlic, onion, cola, cheese, or pizza?
That's it.
Cheese? Okay.
Find one that is a cheese.
You get 1 try. Now show me. What is it?
It's a cheese.
It's a cheese. Good
Good
job.
job.
You get to keep it. Your turn, D.
Okay, I think it's gonna be cola.
Okay.
Let's do
I
that
got garlic.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
What's the number?
Number 1.
one.
He cranks it 1 time.
This one.
He's safe.
This one's
No,
a
no, you keep
two.
that one. That one's yours.
This one's a 2.
Yeah, you got 2 points, that means.
No,
I
no. I got
think-
3 2.
Oh, you got 2? Okay.
No, I got 3 2.
3, 2? Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be pizza.
Okay.
Well, no, it's my turn. I got cheese.
You gotta feed it to the hippo.
I got cheese.
Okay.
This
Now it's Nora's time. Put yours right here. This is yours. These are your points.
You
Oh, wait, what do you think it's gonna be?
The cheese then.
Cheese again.
Yeah. Feeding hippo.
Okay, you gotta crank it 3 times.
3 times.
Yep. Look, like this. 1, 2,
3.
3.
Okay.
You're safe. What do you think it's gonna be, D?
I
Here, this is
think-
yours.
I think it's gonna be onions.
Okay, let's see.
It's cola. I
Again.
gotta crank it 2 times.
Wow.
See that cheese like this.
1, 2.
Okay, it's my turn. I think it's gonna be a root beer float.
Okay.
Let's see this one. I got it right. I got 1 point. It's your turn, Noris. Think of one.
This one.
No. That one's yours. Keep down. What do you wait? You gotta pick first. Garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or root beer float.
I pick it.
Cola.
Yes,
Okay.
another one.
Okay, pick.
Nope.
No, let me see. What'd you get?
Onion.
Onion. You gotta put it. You gotta feed burping Bobby 2 times.
Okay.
1.
Oh.
Ew.
It burped on you.
Ew.
Junior got 2 points.
I got 1 point.
I got 1 point. That means Norris wins.
No, I lose.
You win. You got 2 points.
And I got 1 point.
Yeah, I lose. It is sprayed on me.
It burped on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is sprayed
You wanna play
1
again?
and 2.
You wanna play again?
Yeah.
Okay.
3. Got chips.
Yeah.
Want to keep them?
No, you gotta put it back right here. Now we have to add water in here. So when Bobby burps, he can come out through here. Okay?
I want to do that.
You wanna do it? Okay.
That's that.
Yes. You put it through the ear.
You gotta squeeze it so the water can get it.
And let it go. Okay, now put it in there. Oh wait.
Build it. I build it. I build it.
That's okay.
1.
Wait. Don't squeeze all the way. Okay, that's good.
Now let's put the ear back on.
Let me do that.
You wanna do it? Okay. You gotta push down. No, like this. Right here. Now push down. There you go. Okay, let's play again.
Noris goes first.
Oh, you're supposed to pick one first. Okay, let's put it back down. Wait, good. Let's pick one from here. Garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or root beer.
Okay.
Cola again? Okay, let's see. Did you get it right? Yeah! Good job. That's your points. Now it's
Okay.
Dee's turn.
I think it's gonna be root beer.
Let's see.
I got root beer.
Oh man, my turn. I think I'm gonna pick garlic.
Got it. Easy.
Oh, I got onion 4 times.
Yeah.
Okay, let's feed burping Bobby. 1. Oh, we didn't turn it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm safe. Norris's turn. Now what do you think? Okay, put yours down. That's your points. Garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or root beer? Cheese? Okay.
Cola.
Oh, cola? Okay.
You got.
You got root beer
You gotta feed it to the hippo.
3 times. Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You're safe. It's Dee's turn now.
I think it's gonna be garlic.
Let's see.
I got onion
How many times?
1 time.
1 time.
Oh, he's safe. Okay, it's my turn now. I think it's gonna be
Hold on.
pizza.
Pizza. This
Yeah.
is the coda.
Oh, I got garlic 3 times.
Now do that 1 time.
No, it's 3 times.
Now 1.
1. Oh, let me put it over here. 2.
Not 1.
Oh.
Bird. Again?
Again, another one.
Again?
It's still burping.
Ew.
Ew.
It's stinky.
More Okay,
Ew.
next round. Noris won again.
Again.
Now this is round 3, and Noris beat us both times. D, you have to win one. I have to win one. Who do you think's gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win.
Nothing to anybody.
I think it's gonna be me.
I think it be me.
Uh-uh.
Uh-uh.
Okay, let's start. Wait, you gotta pick one.
I did. Cola.
Cola
Cola?
again? Okay. Pick one.
Pick one.
Let's see.
Tea.
Uh-oh, now you gotta feed Burping Bobby twice. 1,
2.
2. Okay, it's your turn, D.
I think it's gonna be garlic. I got cola. I gotta feed it 5 times.
5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Wait, it's not your turn yet. Okay, now I think... Okay, it's not my turn, right? I think it's gonna be...
Cola.
cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah. I got cheese. I'm safe. I got 3 points.
I like cheese.
You're not supposed to pick yet. Okay, which one do you think it's gonna be?
Cola.
Cola again. Okay,
Choose one.
let's see if you get cola. What is that? Root beer. You gotta feed them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's D's turn.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get onions. I got pizza. I gotta feed it 4 times.
Wow.
I
It's gonna burp on D.
1, 2. Oh man, it's stinky.
It burped on D. That means Junior beat us again.
Ew, it's stinky.
Okay, it's still burping. That's a loud burp.
Again?
Okay, close his mouth now. Let's see if he burps on you.
Can't do it.
Can't burp? Okay, put another one in.
Okay.
It burped on Noris. Oh, not me, no.
No, not me.
Okay, let's feed it more.
It's done burping.
Oh, is it?
You gotta close his mouth.
I say cheese.
Close your mouth.
Twist it.
Then put it on me.
You gonna break for me?
Oh
Oh no, not me.
no!
Ew, stinky.
So, you want some garlic? Oh yeah, I got it. You want some pepperoni? You want some beans? Oh, I got white beans. Open up. Okay. Here you go. You want some cola? Oh, I like like that. You want some cheese? Oh, I cheese. You want some more cola? Oh, I need you full. Oh, you're getting too big. You want some onions? Yeah. You want some cola? You know, some beans? Yeah. You want some pizza? Oh, no, you burnt. You okay? Okay, close them up. Yeah. What? Again? You want some more pizza? There we go. You want some cheese? Ooh. Again? You want some cheese? Yeah. You want some garlic? Yeah. You want some more cola? Yeah. You want some more cola? Yeah. You want some cheese? Yes. Oh, hey, back up. Open up. Okay. You want some? Hey, what are you doing? Hey. You want some beans? Hey. There you go. Hey. Hey. Oh. There you go. Open up. Hey. Okay. Don't burn. Close the mouth. Close the mouth. You like that, big boy? Okay, open up. Oh, hey, I said don't burn. Okay, there you go. Eat some beans. You want some pizza? Okay. You want some onion? No. You want some garlic? Yeah. Man, that's why you're so fat now. I like garlic. You like garlic? Yeah. Ah! Finger! Hey, give me it! Hey, open up! Hey! Hey, get it there! Hey, you eat too much! Hey, close your mouth! I want more! I want more! Hey, don't burp! Why are you burping? It's full. I want more. You want more food? There's no more. It's in my butt. Oh, okay. Is that food? No. Oh no, there's more. That's all more. Oh, wait, okay, that's it. That's it. Hey. You wanna one in my mouth? That's no. That one in my butt? No.
For watching Noris Free Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all the videos. Bye.
Bye.